I hope all of you are fine. Today let's look at that feeling, that one feeling, that haunting feeling that haunts us at those unexpected times. That feeling that puts us into a void. That feeling that gives us breathlessness. That feeling that literally chokes us. If you're going through that feeling, you're not alone. It is not the end of the world. There are many more good things to come, many more wonderful things to happen. Yes, many people tell that you need to reach out to people or you need to talk to people, but before that, based on a text that I received today, it is also important for you to reach out to your friends whom you think haven't been in touch with you for quite some time. At least consider reaching out to your friends. It is imperative for us to understand the root cause of such feelings. The human being is a complex animal. It's a complex being. And we ought to understand where that feeling really stems from. What is a need or what is a reason for us to feel that way? It is very important for us to manage ourselves. We might not have a friends with us every time. And at those moments, for us to reach a situation or a state where we need to manage ourselves, where we need to learn to manage ourselves, and only we can help ourselves. When that feeling hits you, people normally have a fear of being judged, or they may fear running into an image suicide. Don't judge. Many people don't really let things out, or they don't speak up when that feeling haunts them or attacks them. That feeling, when analyzed or put under proper scrutiny, reveals certain facts about ourselves. It indicates those past pains. It indicates those pains that are present in your pain body. Indicates those small disappointments that you might have run away from, which is now accumulating and trying to remind you about yourself, or trying to remind you about something. Hence, it is very important for us to understand what those feelings are, or why those feelings occur. It is true that the times that we are going through are really, really challenging, and many of us have not really been the best versions of ourselves. We are natural beings, and we cannot avoid nature. So our interaction with 5 elements is as much as important for us as food, as our daily needs. We need to be in touch with the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Earth gives your connect. I mean, if you have a garden at home, yes, you can spend some time gardening. For water, having reverence to the water that we drink. For fire, many people have started candlelight meditation, or the sunlight, get ample sunlight. For space or ether, listen to good music. For wind, there is meditation. So our connect with the 5 elements is something that we cannot do away with. While we look at the pain, our past accumulated pain, that can be the reason for us to experience that feeling, we must also look at, there are a lot of new researches that are cropping up on soul DNA. Soul genetics, soul DNA is something that we can look at. But if you're really interested about this, there are a few links, and I am also putting up few Google searches that you can do on understanding what it is and how it is connected to many rituals of offering tarpan to our ancestors. Books, reading good books. Cultivate a habit of reading books, which will help you to at least make a way out of this. Personally, and as far as I've seen, the Bhagavad Gita is a wonderful manual, a life manual that can help you out in understanding life and death and identifying yourself with what you are. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle is another book that you can definitely attempt during this time. That feeling which haunts you is not targeting you alone. It targets everybody at various times. It's important for us to be aware and catapult us to a stage where we can manage it ourselves. The initial step of reaching out to friends, that is there, but it is imperative for us to reach a stage where we should be able to handle this ourselves. Because at the end of it, if you are happy, you can keep others happy. And if you can, and if you're quite adventurous, if it is possible, if it is permissible, do try out small adventure activities in your area, or if you're staying in a secluded place, or if you think it is safe enough, do go out on long walks, or plan your day, or ensure that your day is planned. Every day of yours has something or the other for you to do, so that there is very less scope for that feeling to build up. I'm not asking you to escape from those feelings. Welcome those feelings, accept them. It is a part of everybody's life. Be thankful and grateful for this life. Working out every single day, no matter what. Fitness, those dopamines, those positive hormones have a say in your mood for that day. So every single day, working out is very important. Stay safe, stay well, and have faith in God.